This video will describe how to properly set up the eQAPP in order for extracted internal standard, EIS, compounds to be properly associated to PFAS target compounds in FUDSChem. We will also showcase a report that displays EIS results when they are flagged as outliers. Let's go to Tools, Data, eQAPP Setup. We'll choose our PFAS method to add to our eQAPP by going to the Copy eQAPP tab. For the method source, let's select the latest version of the QSM, and for our method, we'll select E1633, short hold time. Click the right arrow button to add this method to our project's eQAPP. At this point, we'd recommend that you work through the tabs in order, but for the purpose of this training video, we'll jump right to the Analyte Limits tab. For more information on setting up the other eQAPP tabs, please refer to our eQAPP Tutorials playlist, linked in the description. Here in the Analyte Limits tab, we'll choose our PFAS method in the Analysis Method to Edit dropdown. For PFAS methods, an extracted internal standard may be associated with either one target analyte or multiple target analytes. In order for the Automated Data Review, ADR, to properly apply qualifiers to the associated analyte, we'll need to update the surrogate code found on the far right. By setting the EIS and target compounds to the same surrogate code value, we are linking the two compounds. To sort like analytes beside each other, we'll click on the header of the analyte column. Toward the top of the list, we see a couple of analytes that we will want to associate with each other. There's 4,2-FTS and its isotopically labeled analog. We will set the surrogate code for both rows to 2. Note that it does not matter what number we choose, so long as it is the same for the analytes and surrogates that go together. The report that we will look at later in this video is sorted by the surrogate code. Just below, we see another set. Let's select the rows for 6,2-FTS and its isotopically labeled analog. We could update the surrogate code by hand again, or we can use the Field to Replace option at the top to populate multiple values at once. In the Field to Replace dropdown, select Surrogate Code. Next, enter 3 for the new surrogate code value. Click Replace. Click Save Changes. Let's do one last example where a surrogate is used for multiple target analytes. To more easily find the analytes we're looking for, we'll type PFPEA into the analyte name search box. We'll select our surrogate, 13C5-PFPEA, and the analyte, PFPEA. In the Field to Replace dropdown, enter 4 for the new surrogate code value. Click Replace. Click Save Changes. We have a few more analytes that will be associated with the same internal standard. To find the next set, we'll type PFM into the analyte name search box. We'll select PFMPA and PFMBA. We'll change the surrogate code to 4 for both of them. Click Save Changes. Lastly, we'll use the analyte name search box to look for FTCA in order to find our final associated analyte, 33-FTCA. Once again, we will change the surrogate code to 4. Click Save Changes. To review our work, we could click on the surrogate code header to sort our list numerically. Clicking it a second time brings the highest numbers to the top. we can see all the analytes and appropriate internal standards have the same number and are successfully associated with each other. In a real project, we'd go through and update the surrogate code associations for all of our analytes. For the sake of time, we will not go any further in this demonstration. Let's switch gears and talk about the report that displays EIS results. It is available to validators once the eQAPP is set up and approved, and the lab has loaded the data. To view it, we would go to Reports, ADR and Submission Reports, Surrogate EIS Summary. In this case, we will be showing anonymized real data, so we already have the report open in another tab. We've already chosen the project, event, SDG, methods, and sample types, and we've already clicked View Report. We can see that the analyte name and code are displayed. The report is sorted by the EIS or SUR ID. The SUR ID is the surrogate code that is set up in the eQAPP, allowing us to easily review the EIS recovery alongside the target compound result. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.